Hi guys, in this video we will do an example which was asked in GATE exam. So this is example of closed volume system and we are given a piston cylinder arrangement and inside this volume air was filled and it was told in example that we have to consider air as an ideal gas. This assumption was already given in example. And these are the values of properties which are given. So mass of air is 0.1 kilogram. Heat capacity at constant volume was given, which is 700 joule per kilogram into Kelvin. Pressure, initial pressure of the system, that means this air is given, which is 1.2 bar. Now we will express this 1.2 bar in megapascal. So we will divide by 10 megapascal, or it is 0.2 times 10 raised to 3 kilopascal. Now this gas was heated by a resistor which is connected to a 12 volt battery, and due to this current was flowing, which is 1.5 ampere, and now current was flowing for 90 seconds. Now actually this is our boundary in which this boundary is cutting the filament, so we will consider this input as work. This is an example of work transfer, not a heat transfer. So this is electric work transfer, which is transferring from surrounding to the system. Now due to work transfer, heating of this gas take place. So due to heating, pressure rises and piston moves upward by this small amount dV, which is given 0.01 meter cube. So we can draw the diagram. This is our input electric work and this is output work, which is work done by the gas on this piston. And let us say delta U is change of internal energy of the system. Now we can use first law of thermodynamics. Now what we have to do is to find out rise in temperature due to this heating process. So we will use first law of thermodynamics, Q minus W. This is heat added to the system minus work done by the system. Now here there is no heat interaction, so it will be 0. Now work done by the system is equal to, we have to find net work done by the system. So this is WO minus WE. This is the net amount of work which is done by the system. And delta U is equal to mCV delta T. Now we have to find WO and WE. So electric work is equal to power times time. Power is equal to voltage times ampere. So we have to multiply all these three values. Voltage is 12 volt, 1.5 ampere and 90 seconds. Joule. So if you multiply this, you will get 1.62 kilojoule. Now we will find output work. Now here piston is displacing in very small amount. So output work will be PdV. And for the small, very small displacement, we can assume pressure will remain constant inside the system. So pressure is 0.12 megapascal. So we can write 10 to 6 pascal. 0.12 times 10 raised to 6 Pascal. Pascal is Newton per meter square. And volume, which is 0.01 meter cube. So you will get 1.2 kilojoule. Now we will put all this value in this equation. mCV delta T is equal to minus WO minus WE. Now M is given 0.1, CV is given 700 joule per kilogram. Now we have taken this energy in kilojoule, so we'll convert this into kilojoule. Make sure to do this in GATE exam. This is very important. Kilojoule. So 0.7. Now we will put WO and WE in this equation. WO is 1.2 kilojoule and 1.62 kilojoule WE. So finally you will get delta T is equal to 6 degrees centigrade or Kelvin. This is rise in temperature. So we can express in either unit.